I studied food science and technology at university to lead into a role such as this. It's quite rewarding when you go to the supermarket and you can look on the shelf and see the product that you're helping to ensure is safe and is of high quality. My name is Richie Bennett. I'm a quality manager with ABP UK, and we produce beef, lamb and pork products that are being found in almost every single retailer, not only in the UK but across the world as well. On a day-to-day basis, I ensure our factories produce not only safe and legal food, but also food that is to the highest quality of what our customers expect. I completed a placement year, and during this time I basically learned the day-to-day, learned the roles of what it's like to be in the factory. At the end of that, I was then offered a place on the graduate scheme, so I returned after my third year of university. After a short while on the graduate scheme, I then became the quality manager that I am today. I'll be overseeing the team of quality assurance and quality control operatives. Their checks will contain a lot of temperature checks and pH checks. We also do modified atmosphere packaging checks to make sure there's a correct gas mix within the packs. We're basically looking at the products at the end of the line and making sure it looks the way it should and everything's as the customer wants. Innovation plays a really important part in not only my day-to-day, but also ABP as a whole company. In a lot of our factories, there is state-of-the-art technology in use, such as robot arms and automatic loading of products. A lot of it is to reduce the amount of manual handling and reduce the environmental factors on the product. So you might see auto-loading of products into the packaging and auto-loading from the blenders onto the lines. And that basically means that less people are touching the product, it's all automated, and there's less opportunities for things to go wrong. Another really important part of quality and technical is ensuring traceability from end to end. So what that basically means is farm to fork traceability entire way through the system. Every single steak that ends up on a plate, we know exactly which farm and which animals it's come from. In my role, animal welfare is really important. We put a lot of focus to make sure that we treat the animals the best way we can, and ultimately that means that we produce the best quality product we can as well. Food industry as a whole is really good at developing their own talent and bringing them up into these managerial roles. From my point of view, my next step I want to be looking towards as technical manager, and then from there I will then also see where I can progress after that. The best part of my job is the fact that no 2 days are the same. Every single day is a different challenge, a different request from a customer, something new to work on. Sometimes we have to resolve issues. Sometimes we're working on projects to improve and make ourselves better. I find it quite satisfying when our team sort of pulls together and overcomes something that looks quite challenging. The best part is definitely how unpredictable it is and how I don't know what I'm going to do when I wake up in the morning. Sometimes we'll carry out taste panels and benchmarking, and we'll compare our products with our competitors' products or other retailers. And what we'll do is we'll cook them up and we'll get people to blind taste them, and we'll then rank them on different aspects of quality, and that way we can not only see how we're performing, but also how we can improve to get our products to the high standards. If I was to describe quality management in 3 words, it would be challenging, fast-paced, but definitely rewarding.